more food. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I gotta cut that out. It always do that when I try to.
Just do something for my leg.
Okay. I'm gonna try to hurry up more. I don't know why I got gagging.
I'm here because of what she did. So I'll survive and live with her. I'm never gonna take it easy on her. I have to keep it.
So on TikTok, they get the early access of the mukbang, and then I record me eating and stuff, and I post it on here later. So if y'all want early access, make sure y'all go on my TikTok. It's name 843. Damn. Yo, I'm fucking up on. Okay, I can't talk to y'all for a second because I gotta record this. So, this is. Let me get this. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna give y'all a review on this food right now. It's the fuzzy taco place. I'll say this chicken nachos is very dry. I mean, very dry. It's not all that good, like I said. The chicken's like pull like chicken taste. Nasty. Just like you have to put the cheese in. Like, where's the lettuce at? It's supposed to be nachos.
We already looked. There's nothing.
It's not good at all.
If you want, help yourself. Thank you. Is yours? I found him alone while I was playing with Tom. Your parents? I think they might be good. He doesn't have much time left on his visa. I can't leave him alone. In that case, even if he makes it back to our world,
That looks good. Yep, it's chicken. Nachos. But it's kind of dry as hell.
but I have to believe that his parents want their son to live and make it back safe. They must want him to find happiness there.
My rating of that chicken nacho from the fuzzy thing. It's a 5 out of 10 because where's the lettuce? Where's the onion? Used to be nachos, but the guys go, y'all just put dried chicken and like diced tomatoes. And a little bit of like sour cream. That's dry as hell. Like, y'all need to do better than that. Nobody want no glass nachos. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if y'all not yet. If y'all want to see this more earlier, go on my TikTok, follow It's May843. I'll be going live on there too. Y'all be seeing me doing eating mukbang and all of that. So I'll see you guys in the next video.